Rolling. Action.
Hi, I'm Sachin. Today I'm going to talk about how Street Smart can be business ready in 6 days. To understand this concept, let's see what business readiness is for a pipeline management system. Now, many CRM systems and pipeline management systems in the market today are not business ready. What do I mean? There are 4 factors that we need to consider to call a system business ready. First one is daily data capture. Your system should be able to capture data on a daily basis. Even after spending a lot of time on CRM systems, this is one of the major problems that stays throughout the life cycle of the system. That you're not able to capture data accurately every day. Up-to-date records. Your records should be up-to-date in the system. Third is analytics. Your system should have inbuilt ready analytics in place so that you can use them from the day one. And fourth is best practices should be built in. Now this is where most of the CRM systems fall short of. And let's see how StreetSmart solve this problem. Now in StreetSmart, as you've seen in previous videos, you have an input file which is very simple Excel based templates. You fill them and they enter to StreetSmart. Now StreetSmart system already provides you built-in analytics. It already provides you best practices built in. As you know, StreetSmart is a specialized pipeline management system meant for B2B direct sales. So these best practices for B2B direct sales are built in StreetSmart. B2B direct sales. And what you get is the output in terms of analytics, your daily tracking, and your daily processed input sheets. So what do you need to do from your side as a user of StreetSmart to be business ready? Now the concept is very simple. It's 1 plus 2 plus 3. That is, it takes 6 days for you to be business ready. Now how does that happen? So 1 day to learn the system. 1 day to see that how you have to fill the input sheets, what are the fields involved there, what are the B2B best practices. It's not very complex, it's very simple. And you learn that in 1 day. Now it takes you 2 days to capture the data. This is your masters. This is the data that needs to be there before StreetSmart starts functioning for your business data. Your input files. The input files that you'll be feeding to StreetSmart, you need to set up over here, and it happens just in 2 days. Now 3 days. 3 days is all you need to start using StreetSmart. You feed the data, StreetSmart processes it, you realize, oh, there are some errors, you have not followed some B2B practices, you go back, you fix them, and it just takes you 3 days to get trained on it and stabilize the system. So, by the 7th day, you're actually business ready. You know how the system works, your sales team is fully trained into it, and as a supervisor, you can start reviewing their data using analytics. Thank you.
Cut.